Sorry.
Hello and welcome to another Hadzabe video. So in this video I'm going to spend a lot of time with the Hadzabe women, and we are going to look for wild cassava. Like, we are just going to look for food in the bush. So because they are leaving me behind and I don't want to stay behind, I'm going to rush there and go. I can see we are also going with the dog here. Yeah, so let's go. And the fire is kept going. Like, it's just a big tree here in the middle of the home, so that, you know how they light the fire, they don't have to do that all the time. Yeah, so we are going. It's another direction, totally different from where the men were while hunting for food today. And I have to be really strong because these are hills. So let's go and get the wild potatoes with the Hadzabe women. Wild potatoes. Oh, okay, now I get it.
Yeah.
Wild potatoes. They're still digging. Yeah. And women don't wear the skin. You know, men wear the skin to confuse the animals in the bush when they go hunting. But for women, they don't. They just tie the shooters. Yeah. But I think before, like long time ago, they used to not wear anything, just the skin, cover themselves. So they continue digging.
Same. You can see how they eat the raw.
Oh, it's not being cooked?
No.
They eat it raw.
Yes.
They eat it raw. So this is the not sweet potato, but
That's it. The wild potatoes.
the wild potato. I was going to say sweet potato. Oh, it's soft inside. You can see
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
It's very soft and squishy. It's like sugar cane, eh?
Yes. No, it's not sweet. But there is a water. We just chew. And they have a vitamin C.
They have vitamin C.
Yes.
Mm. Well, what's the nearest hospital?
Near what?
Nearest hospital.
You don't want to die.
No taste at all, but because they eat it, if I eat it, I know nothing will happen to me, but it's a new taste in my mouth. No taste at all, no salt, no sugar,
Nothing.
but I can get
Yeah, you
something
can get-
that I know.
It's good taste. on your tongue.
I'm trying to get the smell in my mind to think which type, what have I eaten like this before? It tastes like some nuts. There's a nut that I've eaten that smells like this, but it's very far. It's a very distant smell. And maybe, sorry, because this one is young, eh?
This is the youngest.
This is
Yes,
small,
sometimes
but
they can get
be
the
big.
Yes.
And the big, the thicker it is, right? Yeah. This is big. But they don't cook it. It's just eaten like this. Oh, you can put it on fire.
Just burn it. Make it the
To remove the skin.
remove the skin.
Out
Yes.
of,
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they're gonna feed them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is one of the meals
Yes.
that
The meals, yes,
Hadzabe.
for the Hadzabe. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Let's
Because they depend on hunting and gathering berries, and also they do digging the roots, which is the wild potatoes like this. Yeah. So this is the one of their meals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's enjoying it.
Yeah. Ooh, sorry. Angalia.
That was so you dig with this. You see how sharp it is. Then you remove with your hands like this. But I know they know. She already knows that there's nothing in here. I'm just wasting my energy. We're sitting in the best position. Close.
Close.
Show them this one.
Yes.
There's one here. But there's a way I should remove it so that I don't break it. See that? I don't know if I broke it.
No, it's okay.
It's okay like this.
Yeah.
I just twist it like this. Oh! It's so hard. It's so hard. Finally. Walking on hills to look for, then digging. That needs a lot of energy. Just roots. That is what you've got now. So, guys, we are getting the firewood. Firewood because we are going to cook this. We're going to roast the potatoes. Say hi. 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 Say subscribe. Ebu sema subscribe. Subscribe. One house there. It's time to add more dry leaves first so that the fire can be lit very quick. Then we put the potatoes on top of it. See, just like that, on fire. Even the fire is not lit yet, but I know once it's lit, it will just burn. my cloth here should not catch fire. It tastes sweet. When it's cooked, it tastes sweeter. This is some homemade cigarettes. Just from the leaves from around. The fire is lit. Anasema? Oh. Oh, nani atakupea? Nilishampea yote. Yeye ndiye atawapea. Imeiva. Guys, it's done. The potato is done. Let me try when it's cooked.
Sigala.
Tumbak. Smells like tobacco.
Ito ko ba enak o tata?